Wow! Techie, you just moved that sentence like magic! How did you do that?
Easy, Glee. That's the power of cut and paste, the ultimate tool to fix any messy document.
Messy? Because my story is total chaos right now. The last line jumped to the top, the intro ran away, and my title is hiding in the middle.
Don't worry, Glee. Today you'll learn the exciting magic of cut and paste to fix it all.
If I wrote something in the wrong place, how do I move it without deleting it?
That's what cut is for. When you cut text, it disappears but stays safe in your clipboard backpack.
Clipboard backpack?
Yes, it holds your text until you paste it. Select it and click Cut or shortcut Ctrl+X,
Whoa! It vanished!
and it's safely waiting for you.
It's back! And in the right place.
That's paste magic. Shortcut Ctrl+V.
So I can fix my scrambled story super fast?
Exactly. Editors use this trick every day. Try fixing this story. Move the intro up and the ending down.
This is fun, like solving a puzzle with superpowers.
And now your story flows perfectly.
I'm a text mover pro. Today I learned how to cut and paste like a pro.
And next time we discover something magical, the spell checker. The clipboard can hold text, images, and whole paragraphs.
See you in the next adventure, Tech Explorers. For tips and tricks, comment ebook to get yours. Like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon.